4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 days until royalty day. Ugh, I'm getting older. Older yet wiser, but I cannot complain. I definitely cannot complain. To my queens that are located here in South Florida, you guys are actually at an advantage, just saying. If you are not familiar with the Royalty Party is a hands-on interactive makeup class that is taught by Shimmy Her, yours truly. I have an annual makeup class that will be going down on July 7th. I will be leaving the flyer right here. July 7th, 2019. It is a Sunday afternoon from 12 to 4 o'clock. It is a 4-hour makeup class that I personally teach, and I open up the realm to you guys because I get it. Like, sometimes learning makeup on YouTube is not, it's not helpful. It's helpful, but it's really hard because you don't really have the guidance of someone being there to guide you through the steps. So I am opening up this class to my YouTube, La Familia, my royal gang, so that y'all are aware of my royalty party. So if you are interested in coming to the royalty party, the information as far as registering will be on my website, www.sheisroyalty.net. If you click under the Royalty Party tab, you will find all the information in regards to registration, getting your tickets, the items that you will need, and any frequently asked questions. You'll be able to find all the information there. I'm opening this up to you guys because what good is my purpose, what good is my talent if I can't help somebody else out? Like, when you need help, who do you go to? Like, when you're not feeling well, who do you go to? You go to the doctor. If your car needs service, who do you go to? To the mechanic. So if you need your hair done, who do you go to? You go to the beautician. If, you know, your edges ain't looking right, no shade whatsoever, but you know, if you need that extra push, who do you go to? You go to specific people. So if you guys are definitely in need of assistance in regards to makeup, where I'm literally showing you everything: eyebrows, complexion, how to match foundation, how to highlight, how to contour, how to apply lashes, how to apply blush, how to do the lips. I'm teaching you everything. I'm very happy and grateful to have the platform that I do have to give you guys this opportunity. So now that this opportunity is here, I want you guys to definitely take advantage of it. So if you are in South Florida and you would like to attend the Royalty Party, definitely check out my website again, www.sheisroyalty.net. The early queen seats have already been sold out, so the only seats that are available are for the standard queen registration. You'll find the pricing on there. I will leave all the information down there below in the description box, and I'm telling you, if you haven't gotten your ticket, thank you guys for sticking by me. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for just being awesome, and I will see you guys next time.